They shot them out of the sky. Trump has boosted this, and Washington is cheering. A packed hall in Washington, cameras rolling, crowds applauding, and then US President Mr. Donald Trump stepped up and drops a bombshell. 2,000 drones gone. While speaking at Hanukkah reception, Trump made a stunning claim. He said that the US fighter jets destroyed nearly 2,000 drones launched at Israel during the 12-day war with Iran. Not dozen, not hundreds, 2,000. The audience, well, they erupted. But here's how Trump described it. Trump mocked drones warfare openly. He pointed to America's air power, be it F-22 Raptors, be it F-35 stealth jets, and then came the line that grabbed the headlines. They shot the hell out of incoming drones. Trump made it sound really effortless. High-tech jets versus the cheap drones flying. And according to him, there was no contest. You know why this matters? Well, Iran-Israel war was not just missiles and rockets. It was a drone war. Iran and its allies reportedly launched a wave of drones, slow, cheap, hard to track, and designed to overwhelm their defenses. Trump says American jets were the shield, and not just for Israel but for regional balance of power as well. In fact, he goes a step further. Trump declared Iran's nuclear ambitions are finished. He said that US strikes didn't just hit targets, they changed the history. According to him, Iran's nuclear dream was crushed. US power was re-established, the rule of the conflict were rewritten. Strong words? Very strong actually. Basically, the message that he wanted to send was very clear. This wasn't a speech, it was a signal to Iran, to Israel, and to America's allies and America's rivals. Trump's message was very simple. The US still dominates the skies. American jets decide war. In fact, drone swarms, they don't scare us. After that, the supporters cheered, but critics are still questioning. Supporters saw strength, leadership, confidence. Critics asked that, were the numbers really exaggerated? What role did allies play? And what comes next if tensions rise again? But Trump, he didn't slow down. In the end, this was classic Trump, right? Big numbers, big claims, clear enemies, clear winners. Whether history agrees or not, Trump wants the world to remember just one thing. In the Israel-Iran war, America was in the cockpit and the drones didn't stand a chance.